Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is doing good. Let's quickly make some chicken franks fry which is spicy. Only 3 steps are there. So let's see how it is done. So I have taken here 6 chicken franks. You need to cut the chicken franks into small cubes. This will help the masala to stick on the chicken franks nicely. If you make it big pieces, the masala might not stick on all the chicken franks nicely. So you can cut it in this way easily. The other ingredients required are 1 chopped onion, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, quarter tablespoon each turmeric, garam masala, fennel seeds, black pepper and 1 tablespoon crushed chilli flakes. Step 1, into hot oil add chopped onion followed by chopped chicken franks and stir well for 1 minute. After 1 minute, when the chicken franks start changing color, you can add all the masalas together into it and mix well. Let all the ingredients along with chicken franks cook well and fry for around 3 to 4 minutes. Once it becomes brown, you can take out into a plate and it's ready to serve. That's it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like simple recipes like this, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and do share with your friends and family. See you soon in another episode with another simple recipe. Till that time, everybody take care and bye bye.